Hey, this is Elaine with Elaine's Creations, and in this video I'm going to show you this card made with the Gorgeously Made stamp set, part of the Masterfully Made suite. All right, here's my gorgeous card made with the Masterfully Made suite. I am in love, love, love with the paper. The paper is really cool. It is pieces of paper that have been torn, all different kinds, and then taken a picture of. And so it looks really, really cool. And then this is all torn paper made into flowers. So amazing. And then I love this kind of collage-y flower page. And then we've got more torn paper, more collage flowers. And then this one's cool. It's kind of like a reveal. They tore it in their revealing paper. And then we have more paper, torn flowers, and more torn paper. So just really, really cool, inventive paper. The suite is also made up of the Gorgeously Made stamp set along with the dies. And the dies have this really cool notebook edge and torn edge and label with torn edges and some leaves. So I'm going to be using the leaves dies on this card. So I have cut out a label using the Cheerful Daisies, and I'm just going to add a little bit of interest by stamping on the background. And I'm just going to use a little scratch paper. I can't remember. I think I stamped off to get a lighter color. So just stamp off. And then I'm going to do this side over here, and then I'm going to rotate it 90 degrees, and I'm going to stamp over here to just get this really light colored leaves. Now I'm just going to stamp thank you in Berry Burst in the middle on top. So this is some of that Masterfully Made paper. Super, super cool. So it looks like this is all torn and all strips on top of each other or being revealed. So really, really cool. Now I've got these leaves already cut out. I did the large one in basic white, and then I did two of the other one in Pretty Peacock and Fresh Freesia. So this is the largest stylish shaped circle. I'm going to place it at 2.5 and just trim off the edge. And I'm going to use dimensionals to just place it over here on the right, just this little bubble coming over. And I'm just gonna line it up with the edge there. Next, I'm going to put liquid glue on these and then tack these down.